Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to share my location on WhatsApp. Friends, if you want to share your current location with someone on WhatsApp so that he will able to reach your place easily, then you simply need to open your WhatsApp app. Now here in your WhatsApp app, you need to open the chat window of the person with whom you want to share your current location. Now here you need to press on the attachment icon. Now press on location. Now here you will find option to send your current location. Press on it. Now friends, your current location is shared with your friend. So friends, like this you can very easily share your location on WhatsApp. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.